everyone, hello good people, welcome to Farmer's Solution. Today we shall be talking about the NEXTION human-machine interface, which you have here in this box. This is an LCD device which I have been using for quite a long time now in many of my electronics applications. The NEXTION LCD is a type of touchscreen display that integrates a thin film transistor display, touch panel, and a microcontroller into a single easy-to-use interface. It is designed for creating modern, visually appealing user interfaces for embedded systems, particularly in projects involving microcontrollers like Arduino, Raspberry Pi, and many other platforms. And it has features like the touchscreen interface, which we are going to open this box very soon and see. The NEXTION LCD is equipped with a resistive or a capacitive touchscreen that allows users to interact with the display by touching the button, slider, and other elements directly on the screen. It also includes a TFT display, a thin film transistor screen which offers high resolution and vibrant color for displaying text, images, and graphics compared to our conventional LCD devices like the 16:2 and the 16:4 LCD. So this one is more advanced version of it, which can allow you to interact with the system just on the touch screen. And also it has a built-in microcontroller. The NEXTION display comes with an onboard microcontroller that handles the graphic user interface element, reducing the processing load of the main microcontroller. For example, the main microcontroller, which is the Arduino, or the microprocessors. I have been connecting this system, using this system together with the Arduino for quite a long time and with other microcontrollers in order to for many applications which I have been designing. So we are going to open this component. So this can be ordered from China. I ordered this from China, this NEXTION LCD. So the NEXTION LCD, you order it from China and then you program it using this interface called the NEXTION editor. So these are a lot of one of the programs or one of the projects I'm working on right now using the NEXTION editor. So for example, you can simulate or debug the system online and debug the system in your computer on the editor. And there you have, this is a project which I'm working on, I've worked on. And here you have, let me go back, you have the slider, you can increase the brightness, reduce the brightness. And next, you go here. This is an onboard calculator which I have programmed in this system. So I can have 23 times 2, and the answer is going to give me 48. And I can delete this, I can all clear. So this is just a program which a project which I'm doing with the NEXTION LCD. So coming back to the box, we are going to, this version which I'm using is the enhanced version. It is the enhanced version. So, sorry, permit me. So this enhanced version is NX4832K035 version. So we are going to open this. This is it, NX4832K035, made in China, NEXTION. So we are going to open this to see the NEXTION LCD inside. So we remove this, and here we have the LCD. So we are going to remove this LCD from this plastic. So here you have the LCD, and behind the LCD you have the SD card slots. The SD card slots permit you to upload a code from your computer into the NEXTION LCD device. The code which I've written here on my computer, the program here on my computer, I will be able to upload it to this system using the SD card. And behind you have microcontrollers and microprocessors and other components on board. And next you have the cables which you use to connect to the NEXTION and then to any other microcontroller, for example, the Arduino board which you want to communicate this system with. So the system consists, these cables, they are 5 in number. You have the 5 volt, because here it shows you the description. Here you have 5 volt, TX transfer, RX, receive, ground. So the 5 volt and the ground, which is the red and the black, is used to power on the screen from any other power source, maybe the 5 volt pin of the Arduino. And then the blue cable is the transfer pin, where you transfer information. For example, it is used for communication. The transfer pin, which is blue, the receive pin, which is yellow. So these are the pins which are used for communication between this LCD screen and any microcontroller, for example, Arduino microcontroller, which I've been using, or maybe the PIC microcontroller if you want to communicate with the PIC microcontroller. So here is the NEXTION. So here is the NEXTION LCD, and I am going to show you a basic project which I did with this NEXTION LCD device. Stay tuned, like, subscribe and share so that you will receive new content whenever I upload a video. So this is a simple project which I have made using the Arduino and the NEXTION LCD touchscreen device. So this is just a simple calculator which I have programmed using an LCD, using this NEXTION LCD device. So it is a touchscreen calculator. So we are just going to do some basic operations, just like 25, which you can see on the screen. So when I click 25, so this is a calculator which I have programmed using this NEXTION LCD. So 25 times 2, for example, you can see 2 on the screen, equal to, the answer is 50. So I can delete this, or maybe I can just add more values to this, or let's say all clear. I can clear everything on the screen by clicking all clear, everything goes. I can put 5, example 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, and I want to delete this. I can delete each component until all is done, until everything is done. So this is just a simple calculator which this system comprises of. So this is a simple calculator which I have made using the NEXTION LCD device, and in my next video I am going to start from scratch how to begin a project using the NEXTION LCD, and we are going to start and complete a simple project with the NEXTION LCD and the Arduino. So I want you to follow Farima Solution very well, like, subscribe and share so that you will receive more content whenever we upload, or you will receive a notification whenever we upload new content on the channel. Stay tuned with Farima Solution. Thank you very much.